Hi Freggle friends, are your Intex filter pump tubes also broken like mine? Watch this video to find your replacement, get some more information and also how to try to avoid this in the future. Let's go! So last week you saw all about our trip to Greece where we went to find our future liveaboard sailing catamaran. This week we are back in Qatar with more videos for you here. Of course more sailboat videos will come in the next few weeks and months. Today we're going to talk about the Intex filter pump tubes, how to get them replaced and what caused that problem. So this Intex filter pump with its tubes, I've owned it since May 2020, used it for about 4 months. Then I put them into storage and I took them out again in May 2021. And then I went on a trip in July. I came back and I found these tubes actually with cracks all around here. Let's see what I can show you here. And that's after not that much use at all. So I cut out the bad parts and reconnected that one tube that I found had a problem, only to find that all the tubes were actually affected. So that happens after a total of about 8 months or so, because for the rest of the time they've just been stored inside the house. So how did that happen so quickly and how can you get your replacements if you had that same problem? So first of all, you probably want to know how to get your replacement. So for that I've added some links in the video description down below. You can order them off Amazon and that should be able to be shipped anywhere in the world. So from Qatar or any other country as well. And that's what I'll be using as well to get these new tubes, I think. Just order them from abroad. In Qatar itself I have not found them so far. So if you are locally around here and you have found them, it'd be awesome if you let us know in the comments. Next to that, of course, you'd want to know how you can avoid that problem from happening again in the future. So I think what will help a lot is actually the climate that you're living in. I'm here in Qatar, the temperatures reach up to 50 degrees in the middle of the summer and the sun is super strong with its UV light of course as well, which I think is really damaging for the tubes itself. So if you can, when you are using them, actually keep them covered and out of the direct sunlight, that's for sure gonna help to make them last a lot longer. And then second, the other thing as well, if they're already weakened a little bit and you happen to step on top of them, they will then break really easily. So just make sure you tell your kids, everyone else around the pool, never to step on the tubes to make them last longer too. And that's it. You want to order your replacement hoses, so look at the video description down below. And of course, if you're here on the channel, maybe a long time Freggle friend, many more videos about Qatar still as well, because we are still living here. And of course of our future sailing adventure are coming to the channel. So definitely stay tuned. I love your support. And of course we'll see you next week. I'll aim to have a new video every Friday afternoon. Last but not least, the monthly giveaway of 100 Qatari Riyals is still going as well. So be sure to comment down below every video for your chance to win 100 Qatari Riyals, which I'll transfer straight to you. Or we can also send you a voucher for any of the services provided by paydem.net. Alright then, see you next time Freggle friend, take care, bye bye!